Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Identify whether you're on a desktop, laptop, tablet, or phone, and make sure you can open System Settings. Once done, look for labels like Settings, Control Panel, or About. These are the entry points. If you need admin privileges, switch to that account now or note restrictions so you won't be blocked later. This step speeds everything. Identify device class, find the system app, and confirm your access so we can run the checks that follow. Now dig into exact version details so you know what to fix or update. On Windows, open Settings, System About, or run WinVer. Read Edition and Build. On Mac OS, use Apple menu about this Mac to get version and chip info. On Linux, open a terminal and check /etc//OS release or run unaim to see kernel and distro name. Once you have the version, write it down or take a screenshot. That precision guides downloads, updates, and troubleshooting steps. Finish by recording OS name, version, edition, and architecture so you can pick correct software or drivers. Then check update status and compatibility notes in System Settings. Make sure critical updates aren't pending. If the OS still seems unknown, boot from a live USB or run Portable System Info Tools to read hardware and software signatures. If things fail, a quick troubleshooting tip. Test another user account or safe mode. Often you'll isolate permission or driver issues without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.